Alright. Today is the day. Well, in one of my videos, I only did Rosey the slime pup. But today is different because the twisted design is ready. Oh yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I made Floofy the purple wolf bigger because I think I fit him. But also, the reason why there's a top hat on him is because he's officially a part of Pixel's family now. Yep, he's a part of the Pixel family. Yep, if you're watching this, you are officially a part of the Pixel family. Yeah. Oh yeah. I also made Pebble. Now, this is the original design. This is my design of Pebble. Yeah, it's better. If you go to my photos, we will see this. Now, this came from a video called Pebble Turns into a War Dog. But see the differences. Pebble does not look like Pebble. You see, it has no petals right here. Why is the collar like that? But I decided to make it better and make it into this. So yeah, Pebble looks like Pebble. So yeah, that's up.